Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious creamy shrimp rigatoni, stay tuned. So we have some cleaned, peeled, and deveined shrimp here that we're going to season up with a little bit of salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and we're also going to be using some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, which is super yummy, especially on seafood. And I wanted a little bit of kick in this dish, so I also added some cayenne pepper. I have a hot skillet here with a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're going to go ahead and start cooking our shrimp. You guys know shrimp does not take a very long time at all, so this dish only really takes about 10 to 15 minutes tops. It doesn't take a long time at all. And while you're cooking your shrimp and later on your sauce, you can go ahead and throw on your pasta. I use rigatoni, but you can use spaghetti, you can use fettuccine, whatever pasta you feel like eating that day. After a couple minutes on each side, our shrimp should be done. It look nice and golden brown and delicious. We don't want to overcook our shrimp, so we're going to go ahead and take them off the heat and start on our sauce. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter along with a 1.5 cups of heavy cream and give that a good stir, even scraping off the little bits at the bottom to add extra flavor to our cream sauce. Of course, we're going to add in a little bit of minced garlic along with about 2 ounces of cream cheese, and then we're going to add in all of the seasonings that we added to our shrimp earlier: garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and of course that Creole seasoning and some cayenne pepper, and give that a good stir until it comes to a nice simmer. So our cream sauce has thickened up really nicely. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our pasta. And again, I'm using rigatoni. I love using rigatoni noodles because they have the holes on each end and that sauce just gets trapped in the inside. And it is just, oh my gosh, it's just super good. We're going to add in our shrimp and give it a nice stir. And of course, we're going to garnish with a little bit of parsley. And that is it, you guys. Super easy, super quick, and super delicious. Y'all, pasta is definitely my weakness. I can eat it several days out of the week. It is one of my favorite foods to eat, y'all. I love pasta, and this dish is definitely one of my favorites. A cream sauce with some seafood in it. Come on, like 2 of my favorite things, pasta and seafood. So we're gonna go ahead and plate it up and give it a taste. Pasta was perfectly al dente. The sauce was creamy and flavorful. The shrimp were juicy and flavorful. Y'all, this dish is something that you want to try. It is super good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you give it a try, I hope you love it just as much as I did. I love you guys, and I thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.